Now we're on the second stage of our AI customer journey, problem aware, where our client already knows that they've got a problem, but they just don't know or they can't pinpoint it. They know they have an issue. They know that they can't get online sales. They know they need to be making people buy online, buy their products, pay for their products online, but they just don't know, right? They're not confident. They just know really aware, but okay, where is it? They can't pinpoint it. So this is where you quickly wear your creativity hat and use AI to help you, so that you amplify this pain point and you make them know quickly that, hey, you know what, I can help you, right? So kind of content which you can share here, right, includes why this keep happening videos, right? So these are the videos that are specific to them, why this keep happening. You want them to have an aha moment, right? You want them to, soon as they watch and engage, they'll be like, okay, that's me right there. Mistakes to avoid posts, they speak to exactly to where they are right now. Cost of inaction, they see the value, they estimate the dollar value of what it really makes them and breaking down of their problems. The more you articulate their real problems at this stage, the more they know that you understand them, and then they will want to become your customer. Whatever it is, right? Whatever the problem is which you solve. So as we continue on our EcoCash shop, I'm just going to go ahead and showcase what I would do, right? This is from my perspective. So I'm going to use a simple tool called tldraw. It's a free tool online where you can showcase the problem. So the problem which we want to say is to show them, this is after they've watched our video, I'll quickly create a customer journey for them, right? To say, okay, this is what's happening. Someone is coming to your website, right? This is customer one. A, I'm going to duplicate this guy. These guys are all coming to the business's website, right? And I'm going to reduce the size of the customer, right? Just so that they've got an idea. So these are all browsing online in the comfort of their homes, and they're all looking at the same thing, right? They'll click stuff they're seeing on social media. This is customer A, customer B, customer C, right? These are three guys who are in different locations. One is in Westgate, one is in Avondale, and the other one is in Highlands, right? These are the three customers. So each one of them is browsing the internet after hours. They're not watching TV, they're on the internet. Then they come to your website, right? This is the website of EcoCash. They come to our website because they want to buy the products, right? So they're going to see the different products we have, the different caps which we have on sale, which we are going to showcase here. Our website is designed nicely. It's optimized for conversions, but doesn't have that thing which makes a person buy, right? This is cap A. Then we've got another one which is cap B, right? Etc. I'm only going to show two products, right? Then from landing on here, right? The call to action button which we've added on our landing page, right, is saying WhatsApp. Send me a WhatsApp message. WhatsApp us. You see what's happening there? We are asking the customer to WhatsApp us. Send WhatsApp. Let me quickly add a text here. Send WhatsApp message. So after a person has already made a decision they want to buy, then they have again to restart the whole process by sending a WhatsApp message. As much as it seems so trivial, right? Oh yeah, just send a WhatsApp message, it will work, right? This is our call to action on our website, right? This is the website, and that's our call to action. Send us WhatsApp because you've liked our product, right? But when they click this WhatsApp message, right, it's going to come into another chain of messages, right, which the business owner is already receiving, right? So I'm just going to add duplicates here and add a few messages, right, which are already in the inbox for this guy. So the WhatsApp messages come from the different people. So this guy is going to send a WhatsApp message. Then we've got another message from this guy and another message from this guy, right? These are all coming into this ecosystem. It looks and feels like an email, but just imagine that this is a WhatsApp feed, right? But just because it has come into WhatsApp, it doesn't guarantee that they are going to get a reply. Besides, there's going to be another conversation that's going to happen in here, right? Within this WhatsApp itself, this is message 1, message 2, message 3, etc., right? Message 1, 2, and 3. In fact, there are 4 messages, right? So you're somewhere in the queue waiting to get served, right? Whenever the business owner or whoever's got access to that phone gets to you, right? So if it's on a Saturday night, you do this, probably it's going to be on Monday, right? The earliest when they've opened the shop, and then someone's going to get in touch with you. Whereas that in itself is putting a wall, a big wall on your shop, because you have to wait for it. There's a time delay before they reply you. So I'm going to put another arrow here, right? This is going to come from that guy to this guy, right? This guy here is going to contact Mr. 2 here, and this is all on different days, right? This can be on the same day, or whenever our phone bearer, whoever's got access to the phone, is able to get in touch with the person. This is when they reply. But these back and forth messages, right? They are now hoping that this person is going to make a decision at some point in time. But what's going to happen anyway is still you're going to ask them to come to a particular location to complete the transaction, right? So just in itself, the process of back and forth here, it is a conversion killer, because all you need to have is to have on your website here, on your website, you need to have the ability for you to accept payments, right? If you can accept payments in all the modes that are possible, I'm talking of, you're going to have an EcoCash mode, right? And then you also have the other one, Smile Pay. Smile and Pay. This one is One Mari, and the other one is Omari. I'll just make it credit card for anyone who's got any other credit card, right? These are the 4 options, right? And these are based on what's the frequently used methods in Zim, right? EcoCash, if this payment processor, right, or gateway is an infrastructure on your website here, right, then it means that it eliminates the need of these SMSs at all, right? Because the person is going to click this call to action button, changes from being WhatsApp to buy now. So because it's buy now, you're reducing the friction, you're making it a person to make a decision. As soon as they're here, they buy now, they will click this button, it takes them into their payment provider of choice, and they process payment, right? They click here, and confirmation. What happens in the back end, that's a business issue. You know, we can send them a WhatsApp message, payment confirmation. So in fact, what we can do is, just to map it out, we will have a payment confirmation that goes out, which will be an email. And in this email, it will have a payment confirmation. I'm going to add information that's going to be within this email, right? It will have information on delivery. Sometimes on this landing page anyway, there's information on how they deliver, right? So it's already here, but again, within the email, it has to be there. And it has information of contact us in case of any issues. Contact us, right? And that's it really. The rest can follow up, but these are the main things that are needed, right? So what it means is, for your business, once this ecosystem is set up, right, this payment system, you're able now to showcase to the client, EasyCaps, right? We're showcasing to EasyCaps that, hey, we know that your customers are actually coming to your shop and there's buzz, there's engagement, but I think you're losing a lot of money as long as we're still sending people to WhatsApp. All you need to do is to get people to pay now when they are in market, when they are ready to transact, right? Of course, there still is some friction. People will still do trust online, but that's the thing of the past. For some, they're happy to actually transact online. That will come and meet you somewhere else, and it just makes it too hard, right? So yeah, this is the way forward. This is how you use AI to make it easy for your customers, especially who are problem aware. They know that the issue is what it is, and then because we've showcased to them why this keep happening, right? This is how I would send this video to this business owner of EasyCaps, and by here, then I'll say, okay, contact me on my messenger, right? Because I would have got in touch by messenger, and then we actually start business. So yeah, over to you. Think about your business, your product. How would you get in touch with a person who is problem aware? They now know that they've got an issue, they just can't articulate it, but you're the expert, you're the one who's with the solution to them. How are you going to help them, make them know more of this problem aware, and then you move them to the next stage? The key thing is showing them value. If you can actually estimate the volume of traffic that's actually bouncing or going away from the site. You can even say, oh, the cost every day, your website where you spend money on every other month is actually costing you money because you're not getting these sales. They'll definitely want to take action and get things done faster. So that's it in this video of Problem Aware. Hopefully it lights up some creative juices on your end on how to quickly get in touch with the person who is problem aware, so that you leverage on what you know and help them with their problem so that they can help more people. See you in the next video.